Welcome to our channel. Building a budget gaming PC doesn't mean you have to sacrifice performance. With smart component selection, you can create a powerful system for gaming and streaming without breaking the bank. Step 1. Set your budget and determine how much you can spend on each component, allocating more funds to critical parts like the graphics card and processor. Step 2. Choose a processor that offers excellent value for gaming, such as AMD Ryzen 5 or Intel Core i5 models that provide strong multi-core performance. Step 3. Select a graphics card that fits your budget and can handle your target resolution and frame rate, considering options from both NVIDIA and AMD. Step 4. Pick a motherboard that's compatible with your chosen processor and has the features you need, such as sufficient USB ports and expansion slots. Step 5. Choose 16 gigabytes of RAM with decent speed ratings to ensure smooth multitasking and gaming performance. Step 6. Select a solid-state drive with at least 500 gigabytes capacity for fast boot times and game loading. Step 7. Choose a power supply with adequate wattage and good efficiency ratings to power your system reliably. Step 8. Pick a case with good airflow and enough space for your components. Step 9. Assemble your PC by installing the processor, RAM, and motherboard into the case. Then connect all cables and install the graphics card. Step 10. Install your operating system and drivers. Then test your system with games and streaming software. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.